Hey guys, it's Chase from Chasing Thrills, and today we are at Fun Spot Atlanta. So I've been here before, a few years ago, but it was before I liked roller coasters, so I didn't ride any of the rides really. Plus they have some new rides, and we're also going to be doing an ArieForce 1 construction update. So from here you can see some of the ride. You can see they've got some structure up over there. You can see the lift hill all done over there. They have a bunch of structure laying around everywhere. There's some more work done for the quad down. And you can see over here, they've got some structure up. This is where it's going to be connecting for the bridge over the arcade. And there's also the bridge that comes over the path right here. So this is where you're going to be able to walk under the bridge. So here you can see this straightaway. And there's a lot of stuff going down. There's a lot of structure being ready to be put up down there. So yeah, that's the beginning of our update. We'll be looking at some more stuff too, but right now we're gonna go start off our day. Well, we started off with the tilt-a-whirl. Now we're gonna go do the scream and swing right over here. So yeah, we'll see you when we've done that. Okay, so we just did the scream and swing. That was fun. We did it, what, twice? Yeah. I got some pretty cool views of the behind the arcade. It is really cool back there. It's going to be really intense back there. And we also did the little drop tower. That actually gave some pretty light airtime. I liked it. And I can pretty confidently say now that when we went behind when we went on the drop tower, we could see behind the banner what it says the ArieForce 1 construction. And I can almost pretty confidently say that I don't think the trains are back there, because it looks like a bunch of like electrical work and stuff, like offices and stuff. So I don't think the trains are back there. But we're getting some pretty cool views of them building here. That's pretty cool. It is a really big hard hat zone now. And you can see the ride. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. And there's the golf course, all gone. RIP. So yeah, now we're gonna go do some go-karts. Something funny I just found, why does it say quad down 4 times? There's only 1 quad down. That's kind of weird. That's funny. But yeah, we found the train, or the front car. It's pretty cool.
Gas pedals on the right and the brake pedals on the left. The seatbelt must be worn and adjusted tightly. You must keep both hands on the steering wheel at all times. Please secure all loose clothing.
Let me do that again.
Alright, so I just got some pictures of the ride, and we rode the go-kart track. We did one of the go-karts. I thought it was fun. What did you think?
It was fun until the very end, but it was all good. Good times.
She got hit by somebody in the break. So now we're gonna do Screaming Eagle. I'm gonna get my 88th credit, I believe. I don't know. You'll see it on the screen. But yes, I'm gonna go get another credit. I'm very excited about that. I've ridden Hurricane at Fun Spot Kissimmee. I liked it. I've heard this one's better, so I'm excited to try it. first time. My first ride. Woo. Ah, a whole 35 feet tall. Ah. Get a nice view of the park. All right, let's see how much airtime I get. Okay, so I just did what, Screaming Eagle, I don't know, 5 times maybe? And it's a fun ride. There are 2 last little hills, the last little hill and the last double down, and the hill up into the last turn give solid ejector in the front row. It is actually kind of insane. I think the front is better because you do get a little bit of ejector. Overall though, it's a pretty tame ride. It's just that last turnaround is very, very, very rough. Like, it's not rough, it's just very jerky. Like, you're like turning and then you like go straight and then you're turning again, but it's all in like within 1 second and you hit your leg and stuff, so you gotta be careful for that. But other than that, I found it to be pretty fun. So, I mean, I give it, I don't know, maybe I give it a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10, that works. So right now we're inside the building, inside the country building. An SBF spinner would be cool right there, like an SBF family spinner. That would be really cool back there. Alright, so I just did another ride on the Scream and Swing. It's pretty fun. It's a nice ride here for here. It's obviously not, it's the best ride for here right now, but I mean, after ArieForce 1 opens, it's gonna be, you know, the best ride here. But I think it's a nice little ride. It's a nice addition for the park. It's a nice fit. So now I'm gonna go hunt down the other second train because I heard it's here. Get some footage of it, and then we're just gonna go. Okay, so that will do it for my day here at Fun Spot America Atlanta. It's today's date, for the people that were wondering, is the 27th. It's Wednesday, July 27th. For the people that wanted to see the ArieForce 1 footage, you can use the footage with credit. I thought it was a good day. We rode, I don't know, maybe 5 rides. We did the go-karts. We did Screaming Eagle, got another credit. I think it's a fun ride. The Scream and Swing, we did that a few times. We did their little drop tower, the little kitty drop tower. Overall, I thought it was a fun day. What'd you think?
Fun day at Fun Spot.
Fun day at Fun Spot. They definitely cleaned it up since last time I was here. I came here November of 2020, was my first time here, and they definitely cleaned up the park a lot. Like, there was not much shade. And there still isn't much shade, but they put like a bunch of canopies. You can kind of see over there. They have some canopies all around. You can see some over there. They have some canopies around. So for the shade, because they can't have as many trees. And there's palm trees I've seen. Look, you can see a bunch of little palm trees everywhere. And it's just a really it's cleaned up and it's definitely a lot nicer, and they have added some new rides. I'm really excited to see what Fun Spot will do to this park over the next, I don't know, 10 years, 20 years. It's really exciting. They're refurbishing a ride, they're adding 3 new rides this year. Overall, it's really exciting how they're heading, what the direction that they're heading. And they have over 100 acres to expand on. So I mean, they're really working on it. It has a nice entrance too. You can see there's the buildings. It's a nice park. They do have some more stuff to work on. Like, there is still a parking lot, like the old parking lot. You can still see some of that. And ArieForce 1, I'm so excited for that. I can't tell you guys, and I know I probably don't act like it as much as I really am, but I am so excited for it. It's like unbelievable. I think I talk about it every single day. And you have to listen to it. I talk about it all the time, don't I?
All the time.
Yeah, I know. People around me start getting annoyed because I talk about it so much. But yeah, I have to hurry this up. So it was a very good day here at Fun Spot Atlanta. I'm excited to be able to come back when ArieForce 1 opens. And with that said, I'd like for you to please like and subscribe and comment, and to make sure to have a thrilling rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. All right, and now we're gonna go get water because it's like 90 million degrees out here and it's so hot. Okay, now I'm done. Bye.